Hello everyone, welcome back with new video on Java programming. In the last video, we have seen while loop in Java. In this video, we are going to see the last type of loop, that is do while loop in Java. Here on screen, you can see the while loop is as similar as do while, but the difference is that as we seen in the while loop, we first check the condition, and then if the condition true, then and then only execute the block of code. But in do while, first execute the code and then check the condition. This is the syntax of the do while loop. Let's see with example. For that, start STS. In the existing project, we just creating one Java class by right click on source folder and create one Java class with name do while loop. Check the main method, it will automatically created. Then for the do while loop, we are just creating one simple basic program to print a string for the 5 times. For that, do in this code, we are going to print the string, that is system.out.println, or print is right string, that is hello world, adding tab to give space between the two strings. Then here we have to add the condition, that is while, and here we are first going to initialize the one variable, that is int var is equals to 0, and after execute code we are going to increment it. We want to execute until the var is less than 5. Save the file and just run by right click on file, run as Java application. Here you can see the hello world is get printed 5 times. That is first initial value is 0. It will do means it will execute code, that is printing the first time string. Okay, then it will increment it by 1, so it becomes 0 plus 1 is 1. Then it will check the condition. After that, again condition is true, again same process, then the value becomes the 2. Again check condition true, then again execute until the value becomes 5. Then it will check variable is less than 5, the value is false, so it exit from the loop. The difference between the while and do while is while will check the condition at first. If condition is true, then only execute code, and in other hand in do while it will first execute the block of code and then check the condition. And while loop is also called as entry checking loop, and do while is also called as exit checking loop. So these are the loops in Java. I hope you understand the concept and the types of loop with example. Thank you so much for watching.